Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a unboxing of Beyblade X UX-02 Hell's Hammer 370H. But yeah, with the this is the starter. But yeah, definitely interesting to see how these guys battle. And the new main character is Bay, or one of the three that he uses. Oh shit! No. Okay. Okay. Let's get this. Here's the bay itself. Okay, yeah. If you guys like ripcords, here we go. A ton of them. In different colors for them too. God damn. Why did they package this so good? It's annoying. Let's get the red ripcord. It's basically the same as the last one. But yeah. Here it is, the red. Okay. And here's the launcher. 3-prong. Dropping shit. Boy. It's okay. Again, I prefer string launchers. Let's get into the main bay. Let's get the layer itself. Hell's Hammer. Really like this. Definitely like the devil horns on it. And gorgeous color too. $370. Okay, yeah. Ajax, or whatever this tip is called. Oh shit, nearly lost it already. But yeah. Really can't wait to see what this guy can do. Again, stay tuned for battles, because I will be doing a ton of battles. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.